Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today I'm super excited because I got the brand new Reebok ZIG Kinetica to check out. I'll be wearing them around for a bit, but first, just to give you an idea of how this awesome new Reebok sneaker looks, here's a quick unboxing and how they look on feet. Alright, now remember way back in December when I reviewed the new Reebok ZIG Kinetica Concept Type 1 sneakers? Now I love those sneakers. They were great show sneakers, but I was a bit worried about ruining them by wearing them for training. Because as amazing as they were just too pretty and delicate to actually wear for a run or training at the gym. Well, it turns out that sneaky little Reebok had a plan all along to release the non-concept and publicly available Reebok ZIG Kinetica shoes. You've probably already seen Reebok tease these over the last few weeks with a fun little Conor McGregor promo video which got its fair share of controversy. But hey, I'm not here for the controversy, I'm here for the sneakers and I'm excited to check them out. So I'll be working on my review over the next couple of days, but just to kick things off, here's an unboxing. Alright, so the box is pretty much your usual Reebok box. You can see the pricing and information on the ZIG Kinetica right there. But apart from that, yeah, pretty much your usual Reebok box, nothing really out of the ordinary. Okay, let's open that up. And wow, that's a really bright color, but that's the ZIG Kinetica right there. You can see it looks very similar to the Concept Type 1. Pretty sweet. Alright, definitely going to be excited to check out these over the next couple of days. Alright, that's the other pair. Okay, so you can see that I got the more loud radiant red colorway, but the ZIG Kinetica also comes in a sweet all-white pair that actually looks really gorgeous, along with the black and orange pair at launch and a couple other colorways as well. Reebok says that these sneakers are inspired by outer space exploration and the wonder of worlds unknown, which is wacky and totally Reebok. But the space theme was also used by Adidas for their Ultra Boost 20 launch as well. So space seems to be the cool new thing in sneaker marketing. With the ZIG Kinetica, you have an upper that's made out of a breathable mesh material with a neoprene collar and strategic support zones for an extra comfortable feel. There's also a really interesting midsole, which is a combination of Reebok's Float Ride fuel cushioning, which is light and responsive and propels you forward with a nice bit of springy responsiveness. But there's also the ZIG energy bands on the outsole that stretches and snaps back to help return energy with each step that you take. Honestly, I really like the ZIG Kinetica concepts. In fact, I actually bought a pair because they were that awesome. So I'm going to be pretty psyched to be rocking these over the next couple of days. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's take a look at the new Reebok ZIG Kineticas on feet. Alright, so that's a quick look at them on feet. I'll be wearing these out for the next couple of days to put my review together. In the meanwhile guys, as usual, if you have any questions about the Reebok ZIG Kineticas, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right below or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys and I'll catch you in the next one.